Today we will be reviewing the Dreampark Pyraminx. It comes in this box. So, take it out. The actual thing you would be getting will be solved. I just screwed it up. And it also comes with some instructions on how to solve it that are in English and in Chinese. So you can see its colors are blue and yellow, red and green. Just 4 sides. It's the most simple pyramid you can get. And each side has 9 triangles. This is just a Rubik's Cube translated into a pyramid. It's as simple as possible. So of course, like any Rubik's Cube, the idea is to solve it. And you get to solve it, of course, you should all know. Get each side being one color. Its dimensions in inches are approximately 3.9 inches tall. It is made out of ABS plastic, so it is environmentally friendly. It has, unlike most Rubik's constructs, magnets. I do believe it's because it has the most extreme angle to move at of all the Rubik's constructs. It has to move 120 degrees, and the magnets just allow it to stay together much better. These corner pieces also have that same thing. And fact about the corner pieces, they don't even matter. They'll never move from this one spot that they're already in. So yeah, this is the Dreampark Pyramid Rubik's.